Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start, we are going to tell us our name. My name is Muhammad Faris Amjahid.
And my name is MEOR Shafiq bin MEOR Sharif.
I'm SOPHIA binti Makale. My name is FAUZANI binti Muhammad Andi.
Today, we are going to talk about our topic, our online e-learning topic, that is Globetrotting. Next. Okay, what is a globetrotter? A globetrotter is someone who travels a lot and to many places around the world. So let's us go globetrotting. So for our contents in our proposal, we have the 5W and 1H. We have who, what, when, where, why, and how. Next. For who, we got to have our own target audience. First, Form 4 English teachers. Second, Form 4 students who follow KSSM curriculum. Next.
Okay, for what? In order to answer what, here is the answer. Okay, why we develop this e-learning activity or program. Okay, during this pandemic era, not all Form 4 students have the opportunity to go traveling. So we think this e-learning will serve them the subject matter and content related to globetrotting or traveling.
Next, we are going to take a look at when the project will be developed. Okay, the first one is the development of the video will be started on the week 5, which is the 13th of January 2021. And then the e-learning video will be launched on week 12 of this semester, which is at the end of the February 2021 on YouTube. Okay, now let's take a look at where. The teaching and learning session will take place during the online class because of the conditional movement control order that is still carried out to this day. Hence, for students will be taught using video viewing and sharing methods.
Okay, for answering the question why, to teach the students about the benefits of traveling and allow them to experience the wonders of the world, and to encourage the students to explore the world by virtually visiting multiple places and learn about their wonderful culture. And the last one, for how we're going to present the content is we are going to use video recorded by each team members, creating storyboard or script or content drafting, quick lab instructors approval and advice, using smartphones or green screens, and the last one, installing appropriate editing software, for example, Filmora.
Okay, next we are going to take a look at the first episode for our e-learning video project. And in episode 1, we are going to do a presentation. A presentation is where the teacher greets and recite the dua with the students. The teacher introduces the topic to the students. The teacher explains the topic to the students. And lastly, teacher do a quick Q&A session and discussion about the topic with the students. Okay, next is the storyboard for the episode 1. On the first page, we can see the teacher is introducing the topic. The next one is presentation of the topic. And lastly, quick Q&A session. And this next is the scripts for episode 1, which is the scripts we are going to use for episode 1.
Okay, now this is the episode 2. For episode 2, we are going to do the reading session. The teacher shows the article about traveling to students. The teacher reads and explains the article to the students. The teacher does an exercise regarding the article to the students. Next. So this is the storyboard of the episode 2. First picture we could see there is an article, and second the teacher read and explains the article, and to make the students understand there is a exercise after that. Next. So this is the script of the episode 2 reading session. First is the article, and second is the exercise. Next.
Okay, for episode 3, we are going to do a speaking skill with the students. The first one is the teacher shows some pictures of the uniqueness of New Zealand, and then the teacher explains the pictures shown. And after that, the teacher showed the video after. And the last one, the teacher going to do a quick Q&A session with the students. So this is the storyboard for episode 3. The first one is a slideshow session, which is pictures to the pictures of uniqueness of New Zealand to the students, and video streaming session. And the last one is Q&A session. And this is going to be the script for episode 3.
Okay, let's move on to the last episode, which is episode 4. Okay, episode 4 is actually listening session. Okay, here are the steps in listening session. Teacher grades the students. Teacher gives instruction about the task that they are going to do. The third one, teacher plays the audio for listening task. The teacher provides form as a task for the students during the listening activity. Okay, as you can see here, they are storyboards of episode 4. Provide instruction, listening to an audio, and listening activity. Okay, here is the script for episode 4, and then the last one are the format of the listening activity form. Listening activity form. That's all from us. Thank you for listening to us. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.